guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Python file which takes input from the user and uses side, perimeter and area values of a rhombus. Open code. Here I have an empty file named rhombus.py. In first line type print in brackets rhombus and def rhombus empty brackets. A rhombus will be like this side and diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. With the help of diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, we need to find side, area and perimeter. So diagonal 1d equals float in brackets input in brackets diagonal 1 equals and then diagonal 2 that is represented by d2 capital D as same as float input, and then diagonal 2 equals I am representing E as half of diagonal 1, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by diagonal 1, and F with 1 by 2 multiplied with diagonal 2, and then side equals, according to Pythagoras theorem, E square plus F square, the root of E square plus F square. And perimeter P equals 2 into D square, 2 into root of D square plus capital D square. And then area A equals half multiplied by diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Now we want to print area, perimeter and side. So print area equals area A, comma area will be represented in square units, so square units, and then print in brackets perimeter equals perimeter P, comma perimeter is represented in units, so units, and final one side, print in brackets side, comma side is represented by S, so S, comma side is measured in units, so units, so here I have a while loop to repeat the program infinite times. We have completed, so let's run it in terminal. So it's print rhombus and as diagonal 1, I will enter diagonal 1 as 9 and diagonal 2 as 7. It gives area, perimeter and side. It's absolutely right. You can check in Google Calculator. So we have completed our Python file. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and if you have time, share this video, and see you next video.